Hey guys.
We're going to open up some Chaos Rising.
No. Well,
3 packs each.
There's an invisible bin behind us.
Chaos Rising, boy.
So you might have to come back next week to see us do it. Start again.
Okay, guys.
See, I can't really see because the one I can see on the camera is really blurry. So I'm going to have to go back and look at all these.
Not the greatest.
I don't even know when I'm on my last one.
Got it, yeah.
That's it.
Well, yeah. So, yeah.
Why at the end?
Hey, yo, coconut.
Oh, we're going to have the same issue.
Right?
I'm all right.
I think I'm all
But
for
while I'm
these.
opening them for you, if you're new here, we're making resin items with Pokemon cards and opening up some packs as well.
When we can get in them.
So this was the card, guys.
There we go.
This is the worst Pokemon opening video, probably. We'll get
Got to
there.
start somewhere.
Let's go.
Right?
Take your code card off, mate, because you'll end up coming back round to it.
I got the water one this time. Look, guys, I have this one. Yeah. This is not good. I have no hits. This is so trash.
Don't know
Last
what
pack
it is,
might be
well.
lucky.
Bad. I got the water on fire. Damn, man.
Tell you it's got cooked.
Yeah, I got cooked. Wait, Dad, look at your bit. Oh, go.
I don't think I did that one last one.
What's this one? Okay, nice.
Yeah. Yeah, we got cooked.
We got cooked, guys. We're so trash.
Charming. You mean the cards are trash, not we're trash.
Cheers for watching. Give us a like and a follow.